Look at this thing.
I mean, then look at this then. I can't imagine a more beautiful thing.
Hey guys, I am Ashton. This is going to be video 1 of a 2 or 3 part series of me turning this shed into a motorcycle workshop. Let's step back. Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa! I'm trying to film. Too close. It was so hot at the gym. I worked out outside. Bad idea. Originally, I was going to make this one video, but it's taking way too long. I don't really want to go for long periods of time without posting a video. So I'm going to do a video series of this. My dad is now going to have to come over for the 3rd Saturday in a row to help me get this wired up. Also, in these videos, you're going to get to meet my dad. My dad knows how to do so much stuff. His name's Jim Ed, and he just kind of knows a little bit about everything and a lot about some things. We started, I kind of started talking to him about this and that, and he was like, you know what, I'm just going to come up here and help you do it. Well, we can get it done. So that's an awesome dad. So I'm going to show you guys some of the video that I've already taken for some of the progress leading up to now. Then I'll go ahead and talk to you about where we're at right now.
Look at all this floor space. So much. You do aerobics in here. So many activities. Do step class.
Hi there. Is there a project you're working on?
I know more than you.
All right.
That's cute. I wish I could get it,
All right, so this is the shed all painted, which I think I posted that on my Instagram, but here it is on YouTube. So this got all painted. I've already got some stuff in here, just kind of storage, but this is also going to be part Lindsay's workshop, so she's going to reupholster that chair, I think. This area on this side is I'm going to have my TV up there. The beer fridge, garage fridge is going to be there. I'll have some cool chairs. Then we'll have this table. All right, these are my badass overhead lights. Adulthood is weird. I'm so stoked about these freaking lights. So those are gonna be hanging plugged into these, and I'm gonna have plenty of light, and I'm so excited. My dad's gonna help me run the outlets, and by help I mean do most of the work while I hand him stuff. No trench. Alright, I'm going to show you guys what I got going on. Over the weekend, me and my friend Jamie dug a trench in the yard so that we can run electrical from the house to the shed over here. It took a really long time to get this trench dug because I've got this huge tree here that's got a lot of roots that the trencher just couldn't handle. So here is the trench up to the workshop. Going with the homework my dad gave me, I just finished boring using water underneath the sidewalk so that the conduit can run into the house, and I can basically I'm tying into the circuit breaker in the house, and that is actually right underneath where the circuit breaker is in my garage. It's my garage. All right, so the plan was this weekend my dad was going to come over, and all I needed to do before he got here was to dig the trench. I did get that done before he got here. However, when we went to Home Depot and Lowe's, they didn't have the wiring we needed, so we kind of had to pivot, and he knows what he's doing, but it did take a lot of figuring out, like, how are we going to do this the most economical way. So I'm running direct lay wire, and that way I don't have to buy conduit. The wiring's expensive, and if you don't get the direct lay stuff, you know, you have to run the wiring through the conduit. So now I'm going to install the breaker box on this wall and drill a hole for the conduit to come out of the ground. The people are interested in you. They want to meet you. This is Tommy. He's like maybe a year old, and he's super sweet, but also he's an assassin. He likes to attack our feet when we're trying to go to bed at night. He's a apex predator for sure. Alright, so Tommy's here. Django. Say Django. Rio. Wesley. Fun fact about Rio. Sit. Can you show him? Sit. Rio has one eye. Sit. Good girl. Alright, impromptu filming and no mic. So this is where we're at right now. We're getting studs put in across the top so I can have outdoor lights. Just for roughing in?
Pretty much. What was intended for. And I had no intention of keeping it. When I built the house, not having use for it like this.
It went through those so fast. It took me like 5 seconds per stud. That's a bridge circuit, which has to be in its own circuit. What's up, Tom? You sad. He got locked out. It's raining. Ask. Tommy. Okay. Today's Monday, August 7th. My dad was just here this Saturday. The Saturday before, my dad's gonna come back and hook up the power from the circuit box in the house. From there, be able to get power into the shed. Well guys, thank you for tuning in. I wanted to take a moment and say that I really, really appreciate all the support from everybody in this community. Guys, I can't thank you enough. I have 98 subscribers at the time of recording this. I've got almost 100 people that are subscribed to this channel. I know that probably doesn't seem like a big deal, but if I thought about having 100 friends that came over and hung out with me while I did all the spike stuff, that's a lot of people. It's not like a huge milestone probably for some people, but just thinking about there's 98 people that want to see what I'm doing, that's so cool. So you guys are totally awesome. And as always, you don't have to subscribe, but
it'd be a lot cooler if you did.
I'm so awkward, dude.